Most people open Claude, type something basic and get a decent answer and close the tab. They think that is it, but they are probably using 10% of what this tool can actually do. This video covers the other 90%. Hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist, and without wasting a minute, let's get started. First we will talk about what is Claude and why should you care. The people who built Claude used to work at OpenAI, the actual scientists and researchers. They left and built something they felt was safer and smarter, and in 2026, Claude is genuinely giving every other AI tool a run for its money. Claude follows your instructions better, it thinks more carefully before answering, and it is honest when it does not know something instead of just making stuff up. If you have ever gotten a confident wrong answer from an AI, you know exactly why that matters. So let's get into it. First, go to Claude AI, then sign up with your Google account for free. And you will land on this screen. This box in the middle, that's where everything happens. And on the left side, you will see all your chats. On free plan, you will get Claude Sonnet 4.6, and honestly, that's enough for most people. Yes, there is a limit, and yes, there is a stronger version called Opus on the paid plan, but don't rush. Start free, learn properly, and then decide. Now let's talk about prompting. This is where most people mess up, and I did it too. They treat Claude like Google. Type 3 words, get a weak answer, then say AI is useless. But here is the truth. Claude responds to how you talk to it. Let me show you how to give a good prompt. So I am asking Claude to write an email. The most important thing to keep in mind while prompting is to set context. Here I have tried to give all the context to Claude so it can generate what I want. Okay, so it is creating. Now watch the output. This already looks like something you can actually send. No rewriting, no fixing. If you give better instructions, you will get better results, and that's the difference. Alright, now watch this carefully. On the sidebar, you will see an option called Artifacts. Click on that option. Go to Create Artifact. You can build here anything out of your imagination. For example, I am selecting documents and templates. Now I am going to type a simple request. Create a product launch plan for a new productivity app for students in India. Now hit enter and just watch what happens. See that instead of giving me a normal reply, Claude opens a full document on the side. This is not just text, this is something you can actually work on. You can click on any section and ask it to improve just that part without changing anything else. That's the real advantage. I actually used this for a project once, but would have taken me 2 hours in a document. Took 8 minutes here, and the structure was better too. Now look at this. Coming back, and you will see something called projects. Click on it and then create a new project. Give it a name and share your objective. Now you are inside your project. Here is where it gets more interesting. You can upload files here like PDFs, documents, anything you are working on. And right here you can add instructions. So instead of explaining everything again and again, Claude already knows your context. Now every chat inside this project follows that. No need to repeat anything. Now one more thing. Click on this plus icon. You will see something called connectors. This allows you to connect your Gmail, Google Drive, Calendar and numerous other tools so that Claude can actually access your real data and help you better. For example, you can say check my emails and tell me what's urgent, and it can do that. Then there are skills. Think of this like saving a workflow. You define it once and after that, Claude just knows what to do. You don't need to repeat instructions or rewrite prompts. Before wrapping this up, I want to talk about one mistake I see all of the time. People try Claude once, get an average answer and leave. That's the mistake. Claude is not for search. It's a conversational tool. First reply is just the start. You need to guide it and correct it. So yeah, that's Claude, from basic to actually useful. Writing, research, documents, workflows, and all of it is available right now even on the free plan. So go and try it out and use it for something real and something you actually need. Subscribe to us for more such videos and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.